Welcome to Matt Noah's house. Today, it's a solemn day. It is December 23rd. It's almost Christmas. I just got home from work a little bit ago. What I'm going to show you happened a couple of days ago, because I don't check my beds over there all that often because it's winter. Things grow slow a couple times a week. I don't really have to do much to them. For my pipe viewers, which I want to thank the new subscribers I have. I'm up to like 20. The pipe videos are doing great. I have a Nording freehand, smoking some Maltese Falcon. But anyway, I come out the other day and I'm like, well, I'm gonna check my stuff. Oh, and there's my gardening partner, Lila. Oh yeah, she's real excited for Christmas. Actually, she doesn't care, but my other dog Carl does. But I come out here to check on my beds, and well, I'm gonna show you what happened. I have those two, and I have this guy, and that big girl. So this one, pop it up, and they're not really that bad. The little fuzzy thing, oh, they're right there. That was, I had a little cup to catch slugs, which kind of worked. Pretty solidly frozen on the edges though. But I have this that was decimated by a slug and this decimated by a slug that are coming back. I got this guy. I got some radish, some lettuce. Whether or not any of this does anything, hard to say. I don't know. But I was like, that's pretty neat. All right. Now, give me a sec to open these lids. So these beds are sleeping. And here's what I got. What the? Somebody got in here and went to town. I had a little tunnel to go between the beds. That one. Over here. Look at this. I have no idea. So YouTube, come alive for me. Tell me what you think it is. Also, I put a trap in there. No, I don't want to kill the small creature, whatever it is. I want to catch it and see what the heck it is. But anyways, I had a really nice kale plant going over here. I had broccoli, cabbage, and onions. Apparently whoever it is doesn't like onions, because they love some onion plants. But I'm going to get the old rake out. I am going to level this off, fill in the voids. I am going to definitely put my trap back in there to see what it is. Anyways, just a quick chat on December 23rd. Oh, and YouTube, if you can maybe come up with an idea of what in the heck this is, please comment and let me know. I live in Western Pennsylvania, Zone 6B, outside of Pittsburgh. So it's not like I live in New Mexico or South America or California or Florida. Let me know. Maybe somebody's tell me what this is. In 20 years of gardening here, the raised beds in this style were 5 years old, 3 years old. Never had anything like this ever in my garden. It's not a huge loss, but it is fun to grow some stuff in the winter just to prove to myself that I can. But it does suck because there's a lot of work involved, and I built a lot of this stuff. And anyways, YouTube, let me know. There's my finger. And hey, have a good Christmas, have a good holiday, have a good whatever you're celebrating, or just have a cup of coffee and a pipe and be happy. This is what's going on at Noah's house today, and I'll see you.